Hello everyone and welcome to the elections training module. First, you're going to start off on your CetterSync homepage and select your organization icon, then select the elections tab. From there, you're going to select the blue create election button in the top right corner. The first thing you want to do is name your election. For example, if this is going to be your eBoard 2024 through 2025 election, you might want to call it that. For the purposes of this, I'm just going to say how to create an election. You can also select the box to include instructions on how to vote, and then any additional instructions can go in the text box. You can check off if you would like it to be active or not at this time, and then also customize your start date and time, as well as your end date and time. For the purposes of this training, I'm just going to make it start and end like an hour apart from each other. And then you can select either of those two options there. You may only want people on your organization roster to be able to vote, especially if it's elections for your organization. And from there, you can hit save. This will then bring you to the ballot. So each individual ballot will be each question that you create. So for this one, I'm going to call it the president ballot, and this will be to vote for president. Once you have that title in, you're going to select save. And then you can choose which type of question. Most people may use the radio button list, which is like multiple choice. So I'm going to put the question in that text box there. So again, just choose your president. And then you place one answer per line. So I'm just doing A, B, C, or D, but you may use the candidates' names. When you hit save, you'll see this is what it looks like. You might want to go back to ballots, and you'll be able to see that every ballot you create will be listed there. When you go to publishing options, this will be the link that you can send out to people to vote from. And when you hit save, it brings you back to your list of elections. It will not be published until that start date or time, but you can always go back in and then make it active if you would want to start it sooner. And then I just want to go ahead and show you what it looks like once someone is voting on it. So I'm going to copy and paste that link from the publishing option. This is what the election looks like so far. So again, your title and then the question titles, your options. I'm just going to select a random one and then submit my vote. Now when you go back to your election page for your organization and go to results, you'll be able to see that there's one vote, and you can also see the count for each candidate or choice. That's everything for how to use elections on CetterSync, and thank you for watching.